You guys see that? What are we looking at? What are we looking at on the screen? What do you think that is? Somebody tell me. Someone said that. 1 second. That's me. That's true. Me speaking into the microphone, right? So what you're seeing, right? You're seeing a visual representation of sound, and this is called a waveform, right? If I talk quietly, waveform. It looks like sounds like sound waves. So if I talk quietly, it looks like this. Or if I snap my finger, it looks like that. It's shorter. Or you can make the sounds longer. Try it. 1, 2, 3. My name is Bird too.
My name is Maria.
That was great. We learned it right there. Wait, hold on. Give her a hand. Right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Murdu's voice, and we're actually going to put this into the DJ software on the turntable. Why not? Here we go. Watch what happens when she makes it slower while I trigger the sound on the keyboard. Watch. Move this forward. How about faster? Higher? Okay. Make it lower. Lower. How about lower? Lower. Oh, see, that stopped it. Not too far. Pull it back a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. No, that's too far.
My name is
How about right there?
My name is
That's crazy. So you can take sound, you can place them into an instrument, and you can play them. Thank you very much, Murdu. Let's give Murdu a hand. Okay? All right. So here's what's up.